Hey everyone, my name is Ryan Platt, and I like to make portable rechargeable sound systems out of vintage suitcases. And this is my most recent piece, and it doesn't even have a name yet because I finished it yesterday and I'm selling it today. This is an old Samsonite briefcase, or I'm sorry, small suitcase that has all the trimmings. We've got a speaker and artwork on both sides. This unit is 100 watts and it has a few pretty awesome features. I've got Bluetooth here, I've got the main power switch, volume control, and a little mystery switch here that I'm going to show you in just a second. So, here we go. So what I decided to do, this is a custom order, and a young woman contacted me to see if I had anything in inventory that was ready to sell, because she's going to Burning Man this year. And what I did was, I went to her website, she's an artist, and without even telling her, or asking her, I took off some of her artwork, and I took it to some friends, and I had it laser etched with a computer programmed laser, and I had it laser etched into acrylic that I side lit. And that is actually my customer's artwork that I embedded into this unit. I put my heart and tears into this unit, and it's one of my masterpieces. I'm looking forward to doing more boxes in the future, and I really would enjoy any and all feedback from people that see this video.